Start this evening on the coronavirus front. The state of Alabama has just set another new record.
Indeed, Amanda. WDHN's Alex Valdez met with a state medical professional. Alice tells us the state has reached a record, but it's a record that you'd rather not achieve.
Good evening, Mike and Amanda. Dane Howard with the Alabama Hospital Association tells me our state has set a new record for the number of COVID patients on ventilators and in the ICU. Howard tells me this is something no one in the state should be proud of. Howard says every single day that goes by becomes worse than the day before. On Wednesday, the state was at a negative 94 ICU staff capacity.
We hit the record of the number of COVID patients in ICU and ventilated. And that goes today, we went up even further with the number that are ventilated. So we're hitting several records that are not good records to hit.
According to Howard, the situation doesn't just impact people with COVID-19, but rather anyone who's dealing with medical emergencies such as heart attacks and car accidents. She expects this situation to get even worse.
I've been talking about the tipping point of things right now, and we are tipping in the wrong direction and rapidly.
Howard says as of right now, the state is only a couple hundred patients away from hitting another record. She expects the amount of patients being treated for COVID in Alabama to surpass the number back in January of this year.
We all clearly think we're going to hit that 3,000 mark and then some sometime during this month.
Howard tells me her goal is not to scare anyone, but when looking at the facts, the data is pretty scary. She encourages everyone to go out and get vaccinated and start wearing a mask so hospital workers can start feeling some type of relief. Back to you, Mike and Amanda.